Everybody's excited?
Yes, yes, yes. Get money.
Process. No.
Okay.
No money.
No use card then.
No money came out.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries. And now, you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Good morning, guys. This is day number 5. We are in the village of Tok Tok. We're staying at the family lodge and restaurant. The body feels much better. Did a little bit of stretching yesterday. The family hasn't yet caught up yet, but looking forward to reach Namche Bazaar today by at least by 3 or 4 p.m.
Bon appetit, bon provecho.
Let's eat. Bye. Thank you. The boys are ready.
Let's go.
Departure time 8 a.m. and we are off to Namche Bazaar. Alright, you can see the snow properly up there. I guess you'll be climbing up to 3,800 meters right there. Watch this.
This is almost 100 kgs and that's the river.
There's another. Hello. And go to. Whoops. So now we are crossing Chumova. Chumova also has a lot of houses. So guys, don't worry at all where you'll sleep or where you'll eat, because there are plenty of options. Alright, the GoPro's battery is running out really quickly in this cold, but we have reached Monjo. Look at that puppy there. There's a helipad also, so you can fly in, take it easy, reach here, and then move forward. Wow, right there. And this is my GoPro socks. Just keep my GoPro warm. Only can beer, not a bottle beer. And Sama Sagarmatha National Park. Let's move forward. Everybody's gathered here, and this is the registration and entry fee for us is 1500 rupees. And this is how here it goes.
Namaste everybody, Takshidara.
So October, November is a very good time to come here, and so is April, May, June. Your tourists can go from 5,000 to anywhere between 10,000. Right, so this is a check post here. You've got to get yourself checked, get your PCR reports and go get it. Alright. PCR reports are being asked, negative reports, which is must. So please carry one. I don't know will it be required after 3 months or 5 months, but as of now in December 2020, yes. Alright, let's do this, guys. Take care. Let's do this. Just chilly, breezy, and the sun is there. It's cold. George Saleh we are crossing. It's called Chori Kharka 1. So you see there are so many Chori Kharkas. Always from the left, crossing all the religious stones. We can run. The boys have taken a break, and what we have to do is climb up to that bridge, the second one on the top. From here it's about 4.5 kilometers to Namche. We are taking it pretty chill, relaxing a little bit. The sun is beautiful, it's much needed, so guys, do trek when the sun is out. This is this other bridge. Let's run. Run every city. Mount Everest base camp. 2980.
180.
Alright, 20 more meters to 3,000 meters. It's tiring. It is. So of the entire trek till now, this is the tricky part. We're just climbing up to Namche Bazaar from Monjo. Your ticket counter. Alright, so we have reached at an elevation of 3140 meters. There's a toilet right there for free. Enjoying some break right here at 3140 meters. Alright, so we are about to head out, but before we head out, we have some martial art players.
My name is Judo.
Judo? Yeah. How are you? Alright. You gonna do some judo for us, brother? Okay. Yes, both of you. Alright. At 3000 meters. At Topanda.
Okay.
Yeah.
This way judo.
Alright.
Yeah. It is one of the technique.
Alright. Okay. Ha.
Here.
Ha. Okay. Alright. Nice. That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, nice. Snow, bro. Glaciers there. Snow. Lot of snow. some easy part finally. The breathing technique really helps. You're just concentrating on your breath. You're not thinking anything else. Living in the moment. As you get higher, the clouds start covering the sun. So it doesn't matter if the sun is there. It's gonna start getting chilly. Alright, made it to the next stop. Obviously Akash is there. That's it, 3,300 meters, 150 meters to go. Another half an hour, definitely. But now I hope the climb is like this, but it's very easier. Let's see how's Namche Bazaar, because that's where it's a congregation of all the tourists and travelers who ever trek up and down. So let's see how Namche Bazaar is. Right, final trek, 150 meters for the day. The time is about 1:30 p.m. Welcome to Namche Bazaar at 3450. This definitely is a big town. Really looking forward to explore this. Everything is shut. There's nothing bustling. All guest houses are closed. This is us. See all this? Oh, look at this sun. Ooh, I like this. This is so good. So we have checked in and the prices are as follows: 500 rupees per person per night for stay, and food is almost 700 rupees in a dal bath. That is double the price of what we were paying until yesterday or until today morning. So the boys are back on track and we have ordered our dinner because 7 p.m. is dinner here, and we are off to ATM because Baba is very happy today. Yeah. Yes. Charged. Hey, everybody's excited.
Yes. Get money.
Come on. Process. No.
Okay.
No money.
No use card then.
No money came out. Alright, next to the other ATM. The Dharta Bank ATM is also closed. Please carry enough cash, like a lot of cash, because the ATM ain't working. And that shouldn't happen to you in such cold. This is the town of Sherpa Barista, and these guys are all summiters. Everybody has gone to summit. So we have ordered fries. I got myself a beer. It's the Sherpa Brewery. Yeah, definitely deserves it. Hi, brother.
No need to tell that he has made it on a horse.
No need to tell. How did you come, bro? Smiling, his smile says it. And he came walking. Well, they are here. They are having some beers. This is some joyous moment. The family will join us tomorrow. So we are here. What are you having, bro? And we have just ordered some dal baat chicken right here by the heater. Alright, so Namche Bazaar, and today's day was pretty simple, but it was all high. Not simple, it was very steep. We climbed like 650 meters and it took us about 6 hours. The family, 2 members have joined us. And the mama and Dhanush will be coming in tomorrow. And here is the we are gonna acclimatize ourselves here. I have to go rent myself a pair of shoes. Pretty nice day, got really good clips. Ran on the bridge, felt good. My body doesn't hurt that much. So this was day 5 and trek 3, and tomorrow is day 6. So see you tomorrow and ciao.